So I have a sample image for you and we are going to experiment on this photo. Okay, so first we need to create a rectangle. Okay, so let's create a rectangle. Remember guys, if you are designing a visiting card or something like that, you can change your dimensions according to your need. You can change it from here. Okay, for now I'm going to change this corner radius to 15 and change this color to white. Okay, change this color to white and change it from solid to linear. Okay, now I'm going to drag it over here and drag this to here. Okay, and I'm going to change this capacity from 100% to 40%, and for the lower one I'm going to change this value to 0% to 10%. Okay, now this look good. So next step is we are going to add some effect on it. So click on the effect and press click on background blur. Okay, change it to background blur. Now you have to change this value from 4 to somewhere between 20 to 40. Okay, so let's check it out how it's going to affect. If I increase its value, it's going to be more opaque, and if you are decreasing its value, it's going to be a translucent. Okay, so I'm going to change this value to 26. You can change it to according to your need. Okay, now it's time to give it a stroke. So press on the stroke and change it to 3. Then change its color. First of all, change it to solid to linear and drag it over here like this and like this, just like we did before, and change its color according to your background image. Okay, so I'm going to change it to red color because I have major red color in background, and for this I'm going to choose white color. Okay, so this look really awesome. So now we have to add some logos here. Okay, so let's add some logo and some text here. So I'm going to just take my logo here. Okay, just press on it and press K. It will make it a component and you can resize it and just like this very quickly. You can adjust it according to your need. Now press T and you can add some text like this. So I'm going to write. Okay, this look good, this look really awesome. Now click on it, lock it. Now select all of them. Okay, press Ctrl plus G, it will make it a group and you can change this position in one click only. Now click on it and change this layer from pass through to overlay. So if you stayed this long, I am going to give you a bonus tip. Add some plugin here. I'm going to choose a plugin noise. You can just click on it and just press right button and arrange it to according to your need. Let's arrange it like this and changes corner radius to 15. Then changes capacity from 100 to 10% and changes layer from pass through to overlay, and this is how it's going to look like this. And one last step guys, you have to give it a effect. Okay, so let's give it a drop shadow effect. Okay, so change this value from blur, I'm going to choose 24 and spread 20, this color capacity to 20% and spread capacity to -1%. Okay guys, so this is our final result and this look really awesome. So this is how you create a glass effect or glass morphism effect in Figma. If this was helpful for you, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Thank you guys.